writing a subtraction equation in order to solve for the question. So let's go ahead and start. Georgia's height is 4 inches less than Sienna's height. Georgia is 58 inches tall. Write and solve a subtraction equation to find Sienna's height. In order for us to do that, we have to understand something. They want us to write a subtraction equation. If that's the case, we need a minus sign because subtraction is represented by minus. They want an equation, so I also need an equal sign. Now all you need to do is put something after the equal sign and something to the right and to the left of the subtraction sign. Well, whatever goes behind the equal sign is always the total. So here there has to be something that represents the total. And sure enough, when we read this, it says Georgia is 58 inches tall. That's the total height that she is. If that's the total height that she is, 58 represents the total amount. So she is 58 inches tall. Now I'm going to have to put something to the right and something to the left of the subtraction sign. So I need a number and an unknown, a variable. So it says Georgia's height is 4 inches, oh, there's the number 4, less than Sienna's height. Our I don't know is Sienna's height. It says find Sienna's height. We don't know Sienna's height. So it's going to be H to represent Sienna's height. Now remember in the last lesson, we talked about the word less than or more than. If you have the word than, the unknown, the variable always goes in the front because that is what you're taking away. From Sienna's height, you're taking 4 inches. So H for Sienna's height goes in the front. And I'm going to subtract away whatever Georgia's height is. Not Georgia's height. Georgia's height is 4 inches less. So you're going to subtract away the 4, sorry. Getting way ahead of myself here. All right, I just wrote the subtraction equation. No, it is not okay to put the 4 in front of the H. You're taking away 4 from her height, okay? So we're not taking her height away from 4. What's her height minus 4 equals a 58. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and begin. We're going to do the inverse operation of a minus 4. Remember, we're trying to isolate the H. So in order to do that, I have to do the opposite of a minus 4 would be a plus 4. That equals 0. What I do to one side of the equal sign, I do to the other side of the equal sign. When you add this up, you get 62. Bring down your equal sign, bring down the H. If you were to plug this in to the H, it would be 62 minus 4. And guess what? That does equal 58.